gentlemen, do not be prepared to be pardoned, helpful man, and a tale he will unfold of Athens and four lovers bold.
Happy thee, Theseus, are now due. Thanks, Eurydice. What's the news?
Ang grass.
Full of vexation, I come to complain against my daughter, Hebe. Stand forth, Demetrius, my noble lord. This man has my consent to marry her. Stand forth, Lysander, and my gracious duke. This man has bewitched my child. Turner of Beagles, which is due to me, to stubborn harshness. So, my gracious duke, I beg the ancient privilege of Athens, I may dispose of her, either to this gentleman or to her death. What can you say, Hermia? Demetrius is a worthy gentleman.
So, Miss Lysander, I do beg your grace to pardon me and say the words that will be spoken, and I refuse to wed Demetrius.
Either to die to death or to live forever in the society of man. Take time to think. Now, Demetrius, come, and come, Aegeus. I shall employ you in some business and confer with you. Take time, Hermia. We follow you, Lord. May the Lord have mercy upon you, fair Hermia.
What now, my love? Why are your cheeks so pale? The parts of true love is never smooth.
Oh, she's there, my mother's eyes.
Listen to me, Hermia. I have an aunt whose house is far away from Athens. There is the sharp Athenian law cannot pursue us. If you love me, escape the palace tomorrow night, and if there would, I will wait for you.
My good Lysander, I swear to you, that conviction is done. Tomorrow, truly, I will meet with you.
Tomorrow then, my love. Tomorrow then, my love. Hey, 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 to Bedford. Come, fly with me. I'll make the moonlight call to me.
Birds, skip away. We shall quarrel in a longer stay.
Wow, taray.
I do beg your little boy to be my henchman. Well, go your way. I shall torment you for this disobedience. My gentle Paul, come here. Yes, my lord. Do you remember the magic herb I showed you once? Fetch me this herb and pick. Aye, sir.
Did you hear that? Your puncher says. I doubt the king would be so eager to do so. What must you have planned?
I watched Titania when she is asleep and dropped the liquid of his herb into her eyes. The next thing, whatever she sees upon waking, be it alive or bear or brute or bull, she will pursue it with a soul of love.
Demetrius! Demetrius!
But who comes here? I am invisible. I don't love you, Helena. Stop pursuing me. Where is Lysander and Hermione? You said they would meet within this world.
Demetrius, you stay back as your servant. Lash me, strike me, only give me permission to love you.
I am sick when I look on your face.
Nay, we women cannot fight for love as men may do. We should be courted, and we're not made to court.
I'll run from you and leave you to the mercy of wild animals in the forest.
Yet I'll follow you. Demetrius! Demetrius!
some of it and dig through his room. A sweet Athenian lady who is in love with a disdainful young man, Demetrius is his name, rub his eyes with the juice. But to it, when the next thing he sees, maybe this Helena. So, he shall love her. You will know the man by the Athenian garments he has.
Fear not, my lord. Your servant shall do so.
But now, Athena comes.
Fairy, come, fairies, hence. Some to get comforts in the masquerade's box, some water bats for their wings, to make my small lads coats, and some to sing now asleep.
In the velvet melody, singing our sweet lullaby, la 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 la. Nevermore nor shall nor charm from our lovely lady night, so good night with lullaby.
What you see when you awake, do it for true love's sake. Be it monkey, or cat, or bear, lion or boar with whiskered hair.
For long your time and wandering the woods will rest here, Romeo, if you think it is good.
Suddenly, Lysander, find a bed for yourself, where I will rest my head upon this bed. Good night, sweet friend. My love will never die for good.
Sleep and rest now. Through the forest I have gone, but I think I found none. What's here? With the wits of Athens he was more. Ah, Demetrius, my master said, and here was the man sleeping sound on the damp and dirty ground. Now I anoint your eyes with this flower's juice.
Demetrius! Demetrius! Oh, I am out of breath in this fruitless chase. The more my prayer, the lesser is my grace. Lysander? Dead? Or asleep? Lysander, if you live, good friend, wake up.
And gone too far will I for your sweet sake, lovely Helena.
Do not say so, Lysander. It's Hermia you love.
Nay, will not change your ribbon for a girl.
You mock me with this heinous joke. Goodbye, Lysander. Demetrius! Demetrius!
Lovely Helena, stay! Helena!
Help me, Lysander! Help me! What if he was here? Lysander? Lord? Where are you? Lysander? Lord? Where are you? Lysander? Speak if you hear. Lysander? Speak if you hear. Speak. I swoon almost with fear. Lysander! Lord! Lysander! 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 Where are you? Lysander! Lysander! Where are you?
For goodness sakes, she has stone in her eyes. To whom will she fall in love with?
Palos. 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 Ay, isa naka-pen shop na kalo. Ay, isa na naka-pen shop. O, sige, part 8 tagay. Tatapos tagay.
Oh, Thisbe, if I were fair, I would only mind. Fine, fine. Oh, Thisbe, if I were fair, I would only find an actor, me, a clown. How now, clown? Who
I, sir, Nick Bond, sir, and I but rehearse a piece to play before the Duke on his wedding day.
At night, his wedding day. At night, his wedding day. What is this piece?
A very good piece, sir. The love and the most cruel death of